How to disable face recognition on your Android device. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can easily disable face recognition or Face ID on your Android device. First thing you want to do is open up your settings. Now once you open your settings up, you basically have to scroll down and find your lock screen type or your biometrics. Tap on lock screen and AOD. Go to screen lock and biometrics. Something related to that, provide your PIN, and once you get to the screen, as you can see here, I've set up face recognition and fingerprints. So you basically have to tap on face recognition, and then you have the option to remove face data. If you don't want to remove it or just disable it, you can just turn this one off to face unlock, and you can easily go ahead and disable the face unlock feature. So if I just go back here, the face recognition is disabled, but my face is still registered over here. And if you want to remove your face data, tap on remove face data, tap on remove again. And then if you want to set up a new face recognition, you're gonna have to re-register your face. That's basically it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.